Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Vistro. Today, we're going to cover how to check your graphics card in Windows 11. So let's begin. To check your graphics card, I'll show you two methods. The first method is using the DirectX diagnostic tool, and the second method is checking from Task Manager. Method 1. DirectX diagnostic tool. First, we're going to use the DirectX method. Press and hold the Windows key, then press R to open the Run dialog. Type DexDiag, then click OK. The DirectX diagnostic tool will appear. Here, you can see details about your computer hardware, such as the CPU, RAM, BIOS, and graphics card. To check your graphics card, click on the Display tab. Here, you'll see the name of your graphics card, the manufacturer, and the amount of video memory. Display memory, 128 megabytes. This is the actual memory dedicated to your graphics card. Shared memory, 5,986 megabytes. This memory is borrowed from your system RAM when needed. Approximate total memory, 6,114 megabytes. This is the combination of display memory and shared memory. Now let's move on to the second method, using Task Manager. Right-click the Windows button on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab, then click on GPU. This section shows how your graphics card is working in real time. GPU name. This shows the name of your graphics card. It tells you whether your computer is using integrated graphics or a dedicated graphics card. 3D. This shows how much the graphics card is being used for games, animations, and visual effects. Copy. This shows when data is being transferred between system memory and the graphics card. Video decode. This is used when watching videos, such as YouTube or movies. The graphics card helps decode the video so it plays smoothly. Video processing. This is used for video editing, video effects, and visual enhancements. GPU utilization. This shows how busy the graphics card is overall. If no graphics-heavy tasks are running, this stays low. GPU memory. This shows how much memory the graphics card is using to handle visuals. Driver version. This shows the software that controls the graphics card. Keeping it updated helps with performance and compatibility. DirectX version. This shows the graphics technology supported by your system. It is important for games and graphics applications. That's it. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe.